What to blog about? Blogging might not come easy if you run out of content or things to say. This video will guide you on the types of content that can be posted on your blog. The first type of content is a top list. You can compile a list of 5, 7, 10 or more things that are related to your niche. So if you're in the music niche, you could write about the top 10 songs of November. If you're in the weight loss niche, you could write about the top 7 ways to lose weight, and so on. The next type of content is a how-to or tutorial. This essentially is a guide on how to do something. An example would be how to lose 10 pounds in 7 days. The next type of content is resources. You could write a list of resources that are related to your niche. So let's say you're in the productivity niche. You could write a list of productivity tools which will help people get things done. The next type of content is promotional. You could directly promote your own product, service, or other people's products in your blog post. Bear in mind though, a blog is really to establish relationships and build your credibility. A safer way is to soft sell, where you don't directly promote it, but instead talk about the product, which is the next type of content, a review. You could review pretty much any product or service related to your niche. You could critique a product and give feedback about a product, so those who read your review can see your recommendations. Next is news. It doesn't matter which niche you're in, there's always going to be news. So you can really act as a reporter and post news. Next, case studies. You could write a case study about someone who's had success using a product or service, such as someone who started with nothing and is making millions online. This could be a good case study since people are curious to know how it all started. Next is frequently asked questions. You could take the questions from your readers or subscribers and then post the answers on your blog. This is a great way to produce content. Next, you could survey your readers and subscribers on your blog. This method is quite simple. You just ask various questions and they will answer it in the comments section, giving you direct feedback. Next, photos. You could post photos related to your niche. If you're in the motivational and self-help niche, then you post something that is inspirational. Videos. You could create a tutorial or a video of yourself talking about a certain subject or topic, and then post it on your blog. This is a great way to establish credibility and build rapport, since your readers are able to see you. Lastly, interviews. The interviews can either be text or video or audio. So you could write a set of questions and get the gurus in your industry to answer it, and then you post it on your blog. So those are several ideas to produce blog post content.